Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Google Merchant Center for affiliate product feeds step by step clearly. To connect with Google Merchant Center for affiliate product feeds, you will first need to set up a Google Merchant Center account. Visit the Google Merchant Center website and click on the Get Started button. Sign in using your existing Google account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're signed in, follow the prompts to set up your business information. This includes your business name, address, and phone number. Next, verify your website. Click on the Business Information tab and then select the Website section. Enter the URL of your affiliate website and follow the verification steps provided. After verification, set up your product data feed. Navigate to the Products section in the left-hand menu. Click on Feeds, then select the Add Feed button. Choose the country where your products will be sold. Then, select Product Data Feed as the type of feed. You will be prompted to choose the source of your feed. If you're using a third-party platform, select the approach. If you're manually uploading product information, choose Scheduled Fetch or Upload. Once you have selected the source, continue with the setup process. Provide the feed name and schedule according to your needs. Make sure to follow Google's data specifications for feed formatting. After completing the setup, click on Create Feed to finalize your product data feed. Now, it's time to upload your product feed. If you are using a scheduled fetch, enter the URL where your product feed is hosted. For manual uploads, simply choose the file from your computer. After the upload is complete, Google will process your feed. Check back in the Products section to ensure your products are listed without errors. Review any warnings or errors provided by Google Merchant Center. Address any issues that may arise to ensure your feeds are compliant. Once everything is set up correctly, your products will start appearing in Google Shopping. Keep monitoring your account for any updates or performance metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.